At Team, we pride ourselves on supporting our clients in exceeding our joint environmental goals. An efficient leak repair program allows plant owners to demonstrate to stakeholders that minimizing environmental releases is a core value. To support this goal, Team have invested in the world's largest inventory of leak repair hardware, housed centrally in our manufacturing facilities and locally at our district facilities in close proximity to our clients. This inventory of both mechanical and composite repair materials allow urgent repairs to be completed in real time, allowing clients to maximize plant availability and minimize environmental impact. At Team, our aim is to maximize the use of immediately available standard solutions. We hold flange clamps and piping enclosures up to 24-inch in inventory for instant repair solutions. If the client has got damage to non-standard geometry, our engineering and manufacturing teams work together to deliver an engineered solution in a timely manner, so we have safe and successful solutions every time.